I share a personal story often that when I was visiting the Syrian refugee camps at the Jordan-Syria border, I remember the way that I felt when I was actually in the midst of that refugee camp and helping out refugees. And then suddenly, once you drive out at the end of the night, you realize that the refugee camp keeps getting bigger and bigger and bigger, and you can question yourself and say, well, what was the point of working for that 100? What was the point of serving those people if I missed all of these people? And it kind of reminded me of the prophetic tradition of the Prophet, peace be upon him, when he mentions trying to grab people from the waist belt, right? He's trying to grab as many people as he can. And that's obviously in the capacity of salvation, but for me it's just also in the capacity of just trying to help people. That sometimes you feel like you're trying to help as many people as you can, but you're only getting a few. What I would remind myself of is that God appreciates the little and the consistent, and you doing what's in your capacity, and that's what you're going to be asked about. And that you never know who you will help from the few that will go on to uplift their entire peoples.